Hello and welcome back again, my friend. We came back in another video analyzing for you the Bitcoin price prediction. As you see, guys, here what we have, that candle here, it's breaking for us, that level here. Why? I'm going to explain to you everything because the ISM services, it came very good this month. Then let me show it to you actually. Let's go in here. As you see it here, guys. What's happening here, what you see in here in that zone, what you see in here, the ISM non-manufacturing or ISM services, that's what is name, how it came. The previous one, it used to be 56.7 and this month it came positive 56.9. That means it's going more higher, and that what it meant the services in USA, they doing very well. So that's what it's going to do, is going to push up the US dollar a little bit, not that much, because US dollar is going to fall down. Remember my word. And the US stocks, depending on which one of them, because the services stocks, they are going to go higher, but the normal stocks, they are going to fall down. So you need to make a close eye on those things. And here, as you see it, what else we saying here, as you see here, what else we saying, what it's telling you here, as you see here, the US dollar index, it's green today. Is it 110 now? The VIX is 27. That's when the volatility is too much, as you see it here. The Nasdaq is falling. The SP 500 is falling. The Dow Jones is falling. All of them, everything, all the market is red, as you see it here. So that will explain why that Bitcoin is falling till now. But don't worry, guys, we are going to head for another run. Don't worry. It's going back to the chart to explain to you more. So as you see it here in the chart, we zoom it like that for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it here, what else we used to say? We have here a triangle like that in the lower time frames like that. And here, if that candle close like that, that means it's breaking for us the triangle. So you need to come here and to calculating from here to down. So it's going to go till here. Let me show it to you exactly where it's going to go. It's going to go till here, till that 18,434. Make a close eye at those things, guys. What I'm telling you, as you see, it is a big engulfing candle here. It's indicating the market is going to fall down. Everything is too clear. Our chart, the same thing is saying. There is nothing new here. It's breaking for us that level here, or that one, it's being a target. Also, we calculated from the top. Now we have here that 18K. And another target is it down here at 17. I think it's going to go till 17. Let's see our indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. That indicator of us, that one, we zoom it like that for the picture to be more clear to you. It's look something here very easy and simple, guys. As you see here, what it done for you. Here one, accumulation level, another fall down like that. Here, accumulation level, now another falling down. Now we need to make a close eye here. It's going to break for us. If it's break, it's going to go till here, till the oversold area, and that's the right time for us to buy. By the way, if you are new here, it's very easy and simple. Down below there is a red button, click at it, you're going to be subscribed, and next to it there is a bell. Turn it to all to receive all our latest updates and videos. Because every day we put in 2 videos, guys. And you, if you be a subscriber with us, smash the like button to help us growing up more that channel. So I think everything is too clear here for our indicator. Let's see our other indicator, what it's telling us for the picture to be more clear. The one here, as you see it here, it's still in his place. That's what I told you. I told you it's still more room to fall down, and I'm going to explain to you why here. If you see it here, that one is still here just orange, and it needs to become red like that for you to buy, guys. So till now there is nothing. It's still more room to fall down. That's what I've been telling you all those weeks. Everything is too clear here. Let's go in now to 4 hours to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, it's very, 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 very clear. And if you being someone with us, what else we said, because I know a lot of people online, they telling you have here a wage. Even me, I used to have it here. I told you it's been broken here, but it doesn't came to the last high to break it. So that's when there is just a fake breakout opening there. Because as I tell it to you before, what did I told you here in that zone? I told you the breakout is happening here. Then it came the price tail here. He go back, he tested here. But look at it. It doesn't came to break the last high here. The last high here. So it just staying down here. That indicate there is no breaking or nothing. And here today, what happening now? If you remember what me have been telling you all the time, What did I told you? Alright, let me zoom it like that. I've been telling you guys, you got two levels. You got the first level here and the second level here, like that. And I tell you, you need to calculate in how many times. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, and here the 5 it's breaking, guys. That's what I've been telling you all the time. I told you the fifth one, we're going to see it where it's going to break. If it's going to either to break up or to break down, and that's what's happening. It's breaking here down, but that candle it's left for 2 hours. If it's finished like that, you're going to see the Bitcoin more lower than that. Make a close eye at those things what I'm telling you here. Everything is too clear here. Now, where is the view of us? What the Bitcoin is going to do? Let me show it to you. If you see here, let's zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. If you see here, what also we said before, we got here like a triangle like that. And that triangle now, it's being broken here, as you see it. If that candle finished like that, breaking it down, it's very simple. You just came here and you calculating what is going to be the target down. Everything is very simple, guys, and I've been telling you all those things before. What did I told you? I told you have here, just to have here a flag. Now here it give you a falling wedge or a bearish falling wedge. That's, man, we are going to fall down more than that. So everything is too clear because you are in a downtrend and you are down in the 200 moving average. Everything is indicating you are going to fall down. It's our indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, that one, if you remember what me have been telling you, even if it give you here the oversold area, there is no price action in the chart of the Bitcoin telling you also we are going to go for another bull run. Also, we're still in a crash market or a Bitcoin crash. So that's what indicating to us now the market. Let's see our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, if you remember what else we done here that trend line. We done it only from here and here. And as you see it here, it couldn't even break it there. It touched it there, now it's going back down. And that's what me have been telling you. If it doesn't break for you, that middle here, you are not moved from the bears to the bulls because you're still here in the control of the bears. It needs the market or that indicator of us to break for you, that middle here, to move upward here to the bulls control. But it couldn't break it here, as you see it. It stay here ranging for some time, now it's going back. And that's what I tell it to you. I tell you before when we have that divergence here, I tell you it's going to go like that and to go the second time like that and the third time it's going to fall down here to touch it again, then after that it's going to go up. But in the chart it will not look like that. In the chart it will look in other scenario, guys. In the chart it's going to look like that, like that, like that. That's what me I told you. Maybe the Bitcoin now is going to go till 17k. So make a close eye at those things. And I've been telling you all those things before. Even if you zoom it like that, what did I told you before? I told you here, the market here, it gave you here like a triangle like that. You need to make sure where it's going to be broken. And now as you see it, it's breaking for you here. But till now the candle, that 4 hour candle, it hasn't closed. So if it's closed like that, 100% also we go in here to the oversold area, guys. Make a close eye at those things. Everything is too clear, guys. There is no 30 minutes, no nothing. The market is very clear, it's falling. So I think that's it. If you are not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. See you in the daily candle finish it, guys. Bye for now.